How I make videos on YouTube and earn money. Yes, welcome to How to Do, and today we're gonna talk about that how to make videos for YouTube and earn money. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Now in front of you, as you can check out, I am sharing my computer screen in front of you, and I'm not going to do anything because now people don't like a lot of transitions, a lot of extra music, a lot of time wasting things. If you see any interesting happening anywhere, any incident, any festival, just record that and put it on the internet, because people has not a lot of time to see your editing skills or see your extra things. So keep in mind that if you are a food vlogger, just you are eating somewhere, just record that, go to the food vendor, ask anything to them, take the food and eat, and just tell that how it was, and that's it. Upload it on internet. As you can check out in front of you, I am doing nothing special, not editing at all. I am just going to put this video as it is. I just recorded and gonna upload it. So that's the way you can do in starting, and after that you can edit if you want. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. And what do you think about it? Don't forget to comment down below. Bye bye for now.